Hi beautiful people, if you are WordPress website owner, then this video is completely for you. So let me show you something, then we're going to start the video. I have worked with 720 unique clients from all over the world, and I have developed website for my clients 850. The reason I have showed you the figures because I just want to make sure you that the experience I am sharing with you, it is all about the years I have learned so far. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 plugins you must have to install on your WordPress website. So let me share my screen and show you step by step what are these plugins and why you have to download these amazing plugins on your website. So let's talk about on my screen. First plugin that you must have to install on your WordPress website is the Rank Math. Let me show you that how you can install this amazing plugin on your WordPress website, and it's help you to boost up your website to the search engine. And this is really so amazing. It can make your website to appear on the top of the Google search engine if you do some kind of the SEO on your WordPress website with this plugin. And believe me, I have recorded a video you can watch, and you can see that how many websites I have ranked with the specific the keyword that was given to me from the client, and now their websites on the top of the Google search engine. And I have recorded a complete video on that how you can do that. So first, what you have to do, you have to go to the link I'm just going to give in the description, also in the video, so you just can download this amazing plugin on your website. And this is the really so amazing tool, believe me. Just install this plugin and watch the video I have just uploaded, and now believe me that your website will, how you can get the client and how your website comes down the top of the Google search engine. When your website comes with the specific word on the top of the Google search engine, there are so many chances that people come to your website, buy the product, or take your service. So when you are here, just click on to download for the free, because I just want to show you that how you can use this plugin free of the cost. But if you want, there is the sale on this plugin, and if you want, you can check out. And really, I don't know how I describe this. If you're going to purchase, you will not regret, because this is really so amazing, because I have used personally for so many clients this amazing plugin. So just click on the download for the free, and we scroll down here. Yep, where is that? I think go to downloads. Okay, yeah, here we go. So it is downloading now. So we have downloaded the Rank Math plugin. So now we go back to our, let me see. Yeah, it is just downloading install. So we go back. So here it has some of the plans. If you want, you can purchase. And now we go back to the dashboard, and we're going to click on to the add a new plugin. And here we're going to install this beautiful plugin on our website. Just click on upload. And then it says to choose a file. So I'm just going to take from here to here. I will just drag drop here, and then click on install now. I have recorded my complete video on this SEO Rank Math plugin, and you will explore the cool feature of this plugin, that how you can submit the sitemap and how you can get the good score when you're going to the blog posting, or you just want to rank your home page. It has really so amazing features, can blow your mind, and you're going to get your website to be on the top. And I really like that, because I am using this plugin for over many years for my client, for my personal website. So that's why I'm just going to recommend you for this plugin. Just click on activate. So once it's done, you just can connect with your Google account or whatever you want. Just I'm click on to skip right now. And then here you can just do some settings if you want. So just click on to the start the visit. And again, I will talk about that. You can watch the full video on my YouTube channel about the Rank Math. I have recently uploaded that video where I have shared my personal experience, and I have show that how many websites I have ranked and how I did that. And whatever, here you can write all the stuff you want. I just want to say the save changes and maybe just and sitemap, but I just want to click on the return the dashboard, because in this video we're going to talk about the most 3 important plugins you must have to download, and the SEO rank math was one of them. So I have showed you that how you can install this amazing plugin on your WordPress website, and when you're going to start the blogging, you will see the result that how it is working. So yeah, amazing. Then the next plugin is the Wordfence. So we're going to click on go to the plugins, click on add a new plugin, and this plugin I have used for all websites I have developed for my clients from the Fiverr or from the locally. But this plugin is really doing the amazing job. It's the Wordfence, and it is about the website security plugin. And this plugin is really amazing to make your website secure from the malware and hacker attacks, because sometimes if you hire someone and you don't know what the plugin he has installed on your website, it is containing the malware, or someone is stealing the data, or by mistakenly you have installed a plugin on your WordPress website, but you don't know that it has the malware. Someone has just cracked that plugin, and now he's going to crack your website, stealing the data and lot of other stuff. But with this plugin, you can identify the plugin that you are using. It is secure, or just like the leaking the breach of the data. So just install this plugin and click on activate. You can see that it has 5+ million activation, and superb. Just click on activate, and last update is 18 hours ago. Just click on activate. And for this also I have recorded a complete video, so I'm going to give the description so you can check all the features, how you can get the license and everything. But you must have to download this plugin, and then the rank math plugin, and there's another plugin we're going to talk about. I will just click on to the exit, because I have already recorded a complete video on this one, that how you can just install and get the license, and it is also totally free plugin. And the video I recorded for this plugin, where I have just talked about that how my client's website was hacked, and how we just removed the malware, and how we did know that what was the plugin that was stealing the data and the posting on her website. And so we have just installed 2 plugins. One was rank math, and the second is Wordfence. And the third plugin is, just click on add a new, and this plugin is for your website speed. And this plugin is really amazing. I have already recorded a video for this specific plugin, so for this topic, so you can check out this video also. But in this video I'm just going to show you what the plugin is. It's the Nitropack. Here we go, Nitropack. And this plugin, if you have already caches or some other plugin, you must have to deactivate and delete, and just install this beautiful amazing plugin that's going to boost up your website, and you're going to get a good result when you install this plugin. Click on install and activate. That's it. And then now you go to your mobile, or go to the page inside speed of the Google, where you can check your website speed, and really you will see the magic how your website now became so faster. Just click on activate, and it is going to ask you to add the email, I think. So here we go. So so we have installed the rank math plugin, and then the Wordfence, this beautiful plugin, and I'm sorry. And there was another plugin, that Nitropack, this one. Click on the Nitropack, and now here just click on connect to the Nitropack, and here it is going to ask you to connect with your mail account. So I'm just going to click on continue with the Google, and then simply I'm just going to click on to get the license, to connect the email and click on the continue. And once it's done, yeah, so yeah, yep, that's right. Just click on continue. Maybe with just me, and what is your background? Maybe a business or something. Just click on continue. We don't have, I think, yeah, just me. Just click on continue. And maybe it's going to take some time. Okay, so once it's done, it says this is website URL and the website name, the platform. So we're going to take, it has already the business plan in there, but we're going to go with the free one because it's just really amazing. Click on add a new. Hey, there's not add a new, just click on add. And now successfully we're going to, its website already registered because I did that when I was just recording the video for this one. I'm just going to give the description so you can watch the complete the video, and you will see that how you can just boom to increase your website speed. Click on continue. It says already we have verified, but yeah, this is how you can do that. And these were the 3 plugins you must have to install on your WordPress website, and really they are so amazing. And yeah, that's it. If you want to see about each plugin, that how it is working, and then if you want to get the masters of rank math, the Wordfence, and the Nitropack, then I'm just going to give the description in the below. So you just watch my videos and you can just get step by step that how you can just rank and do all the stuff. But these 3 plugins you must have to download on your website. It says the Wordfence installation incomplete. Resume installation. Yeah, let me to complete this one because yeah, I just want to show you. Click onto the get WordPress license. It says the get the Wordfence license. So I just want to show you. Go here, click onto the get a license for free, and then I am okay with 30 days protection. And then here you have to enter email. So let me do that. Raja sain WordPress at gmail.com. And yeah, I said no, I completely understand. Click on register. So now they're going to send the license on our email. So yeah, here we go. So we go to the email we have entered so far. So I will come to here, go here, and I will click on here. And now I will just go to my Gmail. So we can get the license key. And here we go, Wordfence. Just click there and just click on to install my license automatically. Yep. Here we go. So automatically this comes. Just click on install. Here you go to the dashboard. So we have the free license and go dashboard. And yeah, that's cool. Just this dashboard is amazing. Then here, click on next. Okay, yeah, everything is good. Here you can do a lot of the things, but click on the scan. And here you just have to click on the start a new scan. So this will start the scanning of your WordPress website, and then it will going to scan all the files and the plugins and the themes. If it is going to containing and the malware, it's going to give you the error and give you the advice how you can fix that. Thank you for watching this video, and hope this video can be helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.